Introduce Geomori GU78, the zero scattering single dose coffee grinder.
This is the coffee grinder I want. Fish Geomori coffee grinder.